Tell me whose fingers were on the trigger that killed my brother Trayvon Martin. Every man who compared his color to dirt. Tell me whose fingers were on the trigger that sent 41 shots towards my brother Amadou Diallo and the 19 of them which struck him dead. Every white man that can make excuses for something so inexcusable. Tell me whose fingerprints are on the ropes that were tied to tree branches that tried to suffocate the pride out of black bones. The blood on the leaves of the popular trees. Tell me whose fingers were on the trigger that shot my brother Martin Luther King Jr. Every person that thinks that being black and being white, that being black and being white, that being black and being white makes you different. Racism is not an idea. Racism is a disease, hereditary. And unless you have the right dosages of reality, you will never be able to escape it. My skin is not black, but I am the perfect mixture of African and European ancestry. And though my body is home to two different bloodlines, one side always bleeds more, one side always suffers more, one side always cries louder, and one side always gets less. Tell me whose sweat fertilized this land, whose tears planted diversity, whose blood runs through the veins of history. Let us dismantle the xenophobic beast that is our country. If we are going to commit homicide, let the victim be hate. Let us sever its roots from our ground and wash our hands of its blood with peace. Let us not teach our hands to make love to deadly cold metal weapons, but teach them to fit perfectly into the hands of another. Let us not dehumanize each other, but instead remind a version that is not human and that it cannot dictate the definition of liberty. Let equality be the cartilage that keeps our spines erect.